Hi, my name's Randy from Seaview GMC Buick. I want to show you one of the cleanest Jeep Commandos I've ever come across. Look at this little sweetheart. This car's, or Jeep, is a transplant out of California. Just dry as a fritter underneath. All the sheet metal's beautiful, runs and drives great. 3-speed V6, just like they came from the factory. Beautiful sheet metal on the rockers. It's just gorgeous throughout. All the doors are dry, rockers are dry, floorboards, real nice. Underneath the truck, I mean, all of the quarters again are real nice and dry. We didn't paint the floors on purpose, just so you can take a look at the pictures and again see how nice it is. Tailgate is nice. It does have the hard top, as you can see here. Original wheels with hubcaps. Look at the nice paint on the insides of the doors. Just super nice. All the windows roll up real nice. Underneath the driver's floor, nice again. But if you're out of state or out of the country, this is a super nice piece.